In this video, we're solving a second-order differential equation using the method of undetermined coefficients. So in this example, we're solving the equation y prime prime minus 4y prime plus 4y equals 0, with the initial conditions y of 0 equals 2 and y prime of 0 equals 0. So the first step is to form the characteristic equation. To do this, we assume that we have the exponential solution, y equals e to the kx. So differentiating this, we get that y prime would be k e to the kx, and y prime prime would be equal to k squared e to the kx. And we substitute these three equations into our differential equation. This gives us k squared e to the kx minus 4k e to the kx plus 4e to the kx equals 0. Since e to the kx is non-zero, we can divide by the e to the kx, and we get k squared minus 4k plus 4 equals 0. So solving the characteristic equation, in this case we can factorize as k minus 2 squared equals 0. Solving this, we get that k is equal to 2. So using the table, we're in the case where we have a repeated real root. We can see that the general solution is of the form y equals a plus bx e to the kx. So in this case, k is equal to 2, and that gives us our general solution, y equals a plus bx e to the 2x. We can now use the initial conditions. So taking the first condition, y of 0 equals to 2, this means that when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Substituting into the general solution, we get a plus 0b e to the 0 is equal to 2. This simplifies down to a is equal to 2. Taking the second condition, y prime of 0 equals 0, we have to differentiate our general solution using the product rule. So this gives us that y prime equals 2a plus b plus 2bx times e to the 2x. So replacing the x's with zeros and the y with 0 as well, we get that 2a plus b plus 0b times e to the 0 equals 0. And we know that a is equal to 2. This gives us that 4 plus b is equal to 0. Therefore, b is equal to minus 4. Now we've found the values of a and b. We can substitute these into the general solution to get the particular solution. Y is equal to 2 minus 4x, all multiplied by e to the 2x.